Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Infinity Glide 120 wireless in-ear earphones. There's a lot of information on the box itself. Here it says that this earphone has a deep bass sound along with hands-free call. There is even more information on the back. This headphone has audio playback of 7 hours. It has magnetic cable management. Basically the earphones are magnetic. It has an IPX5 rating, making it sweat and splash resistant. It has a 3-button remote for music control. It also boasts of comfort fit. We'll find out soon enough what that is. Now let's quickly open the box, pull out this plastic tray, and that's it. That's all there is in this box. Firstly, we have a user manual and warranty card. You should read it at least once. Now let's take a look at the earphones. We have to pull them out, and here we are. As you can see, this is a neckband style earphone with 2 modules at each end. One of the modules is the 3-button remote control. It has a volume control button, a power button, and a micro USB charging port. The Infinity logo is also quite prominent on the modules. Let's take a quick look at the headphones themselves. These are metallic earphones that are also magnetic. The earphones also have hoops. These ensure a comfortable fit for the user. Let's take a quick look at what else we have. There are some extra ear tips, 2 pair to be exact, and there is a micro USB charging cable. That's all you will find in this box. Thank you for watching.